Are you going to welcome us in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, what are you going to say? You have to say it right here.
Welcome in.
And who are you?
Calvin.
Okay. And who's this precious little pumpkin right here?
Eleanor.
Yeah. Who's her mommy?
Mackenzie.
Yeah. And what are we going to do? What is mommy going to do?
Give her makeup.
Yep, we're going to do her makeup.
Yeah.
Ask her if she's ever had it done before.
Did you ever had it done before?
Probably not since I had a baby. It's a good day if I weren't just mascara now.
Yeah.
I haven't done my makeup in a long time.
So we're going to spoil her, right?
Mm-hmm.
And doll her up.
If she grows up, can you come back and switch so I can see her?
Yes, I'll bring her back so you can see her when she's grown up.
She's
Okay.
like,
All right, you ready? We're going to do makeup now.
I'll be back at the end.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Don't knock anything over.
Did you know I could do anything I want?
You can?
Yep.
What do you want to do?
I could play basketball with my dad.
Yeah. Are you going to play basketball when you get bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So is baseball.
You're going to play baseball too?
And then soccer.
You're going to play soccer too? I love soccer.
Yeah.
Ask Mackenzie if she played soccer.
Did you play soccer?
I did play soccer.
What do you think?
Do you recognize Mommy? Oh, she's like, I don't care about you. I just want to look at her. She's like, I'm on TV.
Does she look good?
She's like, I don't care. Hey, do you recognize me? Oh, what do you think?
I still see Mom.
Do you think we're beautiful? What do you think? Look at her face. Are we pretty? Gosh, I love it.
Isn't that pretty?
I love those colors. I'm always more of like stick to the peachy pinks and neutrals.
Yes. They make green pop out. Because I have green in my eyes, so I always put like the reds and peaches.
I never can see the green in my eyes like in pictures and stuff.
But
I love it.
You'd love. I always do like red colors. I look really good with red too.
I'm so scared.
Kyle said it makes my eyes look like Annabelle, which
really
yours probably look scary too. But
mom life.
Thanks for joining me.
Do your face. Do your face. Your silly face. What about this one?
Now we're done.
Okay, hold on. You gotta be able to see
it.
Now we're done.
We're done. You talking right here?
Now we're done.
Well, how do you think it looks? Did Mommy do a good job?
Yep.
Look at her makeup. You have to
what
look
do you
at
think?
Good.
You like
Good?
it?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite part?
The ones that are on your cheeks.
Oh, my
The
cheeks.
highlighter, right?
You like the highlighter?
The glowy part?
Yeah.
That's my baby.
You're
You
the
want to come
best.
see the new Captain Underpants movie?
Yeah, let's
What
go
do you
see
think
some
about
Captain
Nori?
Underpants.
Does Nori look beautiful?
Yep.
Yep.
You think so?
Yep. And her hands are pretty small.
Yeah, very small.
Now let's go ahead and get the new Captain Underpants on.
He's basically like, okay, turn it off.
Yeah, we're done.
I'm trying to watch
Come on.
Captain Underpants.
Come on, everyone.
Tell the people bye.
Come on, everyone.
Say bye-bye.
Come on.
She sees him over there.
Guys, come on. Let's go see the new Captain Underpants movie.
Say bye. She's waving. Bye.
You want to come see the new Captain Underpants?
Yeah.